Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is Maurya Nisha Kumari. So guys, I'm little bit late to update this, but this is a good opportunity. It is still fresh, so I want you people to go ahead. Kasha Air is hiring, so you can see here the Kasha Air is hiring. You just go to the Google how to apply. I'm showing you Akasha Air and Careers, right? Just go to this and you can see that, yeah, senior cabin crew, like any experienced cabin crew, and senior security executive, like senior and freshers are both are okay. In flight manager, both for everyone there is a option here for the fresh and experienced. So you want to go for the fresh cabin crew, right? You need to click on this. Yeah, see, you can refer your friend as well, as if you're interested you can go through that. These are the responsibilities you should know. Like, what are the responsibility about us? See, Akasa Air will be the most dependable airline in India. So these are things, something about Akasa, so you can go through that if you need any information regarding that airline. And job position, what are the job position? It, like, they are hiring you as a brand ambassador, right? You people be the face. So key responsibility, like what is the responsibilities of a cabin crew. Most probably, if you're an aspire student to become, you should know like what are the responsibility of a cabin crew. Position reports, IFM, SSC, PIC on board, and the ABM in the organization chart. For the pressure, you need to go with that. Travel needed, extensive travel, irregular or log working hours across this zone. Requirement, मिनिमम HSC रहना चाहिए, 18th ईयर ऑफ एज, ओके 18 ईयर्स के ऊपर होना चाहिए. मेडिकली फिट एज डिफाइंड बाय DGCA, मेडिकली फिट होना चाहिए. एक्सपीरियंस अगर है तो दे दो, वरना फ्रेशर्स भी ओके है. स्किल्स ये होना चाहिए, टीम वर्क होना चाहिए. नॉर्मली दीज थिंग्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट. आई एम इंटरेस्टेड. सो गाइज, यू विल बी गेटिंग, अपलोड योर रेज्यूमे, बेसिक्स यूर नेम डालिए, आपका एड्रेस जहाँ पर आप हो आधार कार्ड के हिसाब से, प्रोफेशनल डिटेल्स लाइक करंट जॉब है या नहीं है. बट दिस विल नेवर एड यू टू, like, see, if you'll go here, right, they'll be showing a fresher, project lead and manager. If you like, you're a fresher, if you holding any experience outside, not in aviation, then they'll treat you as a fresher, so it comes under freshers. So after that, submit application, like you need to attach your photo and your resume and submit the application. When you submit, you'll get the like you'll get confirmation. If they'll select you, you need to go for it. And this is all over India for multiple, not only in particular state, it is in all over India. So you have a good opportunity, guys. Go ahead and apply for it. That's all. Don't try to hide it within yourself. Share with your friends who are in very need, who are always aspire to touch the sky. So please help them go through this. If anyone is interested in any of these, customer service is also there for let's see about customer service. I'll show you the customer service also, like what are the job responsibilities. Same here. Graduate and 12th pass in, okay, for the 12th pass is also there. Fresher for CSC and 2 years experience for, okay, freshers भी okay है. If you're interested, go through this. Okay guys, don't forget to share my channel and subscribe it and let others know about it. Thank you.